Thank you for your patience on your vehicle this whole time. I have finally got the update from the technician that it is failing all our compression tests, which is leading everything down deep to where it's going to more likely require engine lung block replacement is what our failure is. It is not sealing and allowing coolant to be internally, I think, burned, and that's what's making our ticking noise, because I think we also have one of the pistons basically seized in there. So it's leading towards an engine from all his testing and his stuff without tearing everything completely apart. He hasn't gone in as a full tear down. I told him to get as far as deep as he could before he could know an answer. So hopefully if we end up not going that route, we can save a little bit on the tear down process is what I'm after. But that is what it's leading to. He's confirmed to me that it's going to need an engine replacement. This engine is roughly around $5,350 is the parts. There might be some stuff they would have to add over to that, like fluids and a few other hoses possibly, but that's the price they're giving me with a bunch of parts and an engine. I believe that's a used engine, actually. Let's see here. It takes roughly about just over 20 hours to replace one of these as well. This one here would be going off of a used engine, which carries a 12-year warrant, or sorry, a 12-month warranty, and it has currently 96,000 miles on it as well. So that would be a pricing of a new engine. So parts and labor, once we add our taxes in, would be just under about $9,000. It's giving me a price of $8,917. So I just wanted to touch base with you when you get a free moment, go over this again face-to-face on the phone and kind of see what we want to do.